Hello, welcome to the TV room. This may be a short video, so I do not hurt myself. I'm looking now at a power supply for Commodore 128, and it has things on it that would keep me from getting inside of it. These, see, there's one hole up here. There is, and then the rest of the things are full. And actually, the disturbing thing about this hole, I've kind of messed things up here, as always, is looking into the hole that's there. It's kind of disturbing. Not the grabber. And that the screw in there looks pretty fouled up. Whoa, but it's coming out. Okay, it's coming out. That's good. It's a Phillips head, but boy, it is squirrely. But these things here, I don't know how to get them out. Actually, all that did was knock it in. This is disturbing. Very disturbing, because I would like to see this case is gross. Terrible, gross. But it may be that one of the other cases I have on power supplies that don't work would be good. It might be, possibly. But I am not at all sure how to get this off. And I have kind of put my tools and stuff over here. And I can't get them very well. Oh dear. Okay. Well, this thing, which is a wire stripper, it has really good pliers on it. But that's not doing anything. See, and I'm also very concerned that if I do something too terrible, I might end up hurting myself. This is half of a pair of scissors. No, I'm just going to end up hurting myself with that. It may be... What do we got here? Here's some little pliers. I don't think. No. You know what, it may be that what I have to do, which I really don't want to do, but I might maybe do, is turn on the soldering iron, melt through these suckers, and then pry them out. Look, it's scissors. This is good for cleaning. I'll get this together. Look, nom 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 nom. And then you undo them. They come apart. You can get them as clean as can be. Hello. Before putting them back together. Alright, well, I am not making much progress here at all. So, when nothing good is coming of this, but you know one thing I'm going to do? I'm going to finish taking this screw out. I am. And you know what? Looking at the way this is, and the way the screws are configured, I don't believe that this is going to be a very successful operation. And that screw, it won't even come out. And I don't know that I've ever tested this. Oh, come on. The screw is undone. But it's not coming out. Oh, come on. Let's see if gravity will help. Oh, it just doesn't want to come out. Alright, I want to do something I don't normally do. My God. And all I wanted to do with this screw, if I can get it out. Ooh, okay, I'm going to get it out now. Ah! Don't go back in. Don't go back in. Ugh. Oh boy. I have a bad feeling about this power supply. I don't know if you can see that screw, but it is badly. This just might be junk. Anyway, look at that. I don't know where this has been or for how long or whatever. Anyway, I will try to come up with a plan to get this apart and see, and then try to test the bolt. It may just be literally scrap. But you never know, you know. Inside the power supply might be perfectly fine. You know what? At minimum, maybe I can steal a fuse. Bahaha. Bahaha. This does not have, some of the 120 power supplies have a thing where you get the fuse and you just, sorry, there's like a poppy, like plug-in thing. You just give it a little twist, it pops up, you pull out the fuse, put another one in, and away you go. This is not that way. Made in West Germany. Manufacture date. I can't see it. Well, I don't think it has it on it. Attempted repair by unauthorized persons voids the valuable Commodore warranty. Oh my, don't void the warranty. Anyway, if you have had a power supply like this with these things that prevent people from getting in to the rusty, crusty screws, and you have any insights on how to get them out, let me know. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. David Bradley in the TV room, where I'm going to find a banker's box to put things away, and I do want to dig into this thing. Anyway, that's it. That's all. Bye for now.